Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Blodgett part #32291. The motor for Blodgett part #32291 is a replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It is a single-phase 115 V, 60 Hz, 1/4 HP motor with a 1/2 shaft diameter. The motor has an open enclosure and comes with mounting hardware. It is designed to replace the original motor in Blodgett ovens and can be used in both gas and electric models. The motor has a rated speed of 1725 RPM and is capable of producing up to 0.75 amps of current. It also features an overload protection switch that will shut off the power if the motor becomes overloaded. This motor is designed. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for a Blodgett oven. It would fix any issues related to the motor, such as it not turning on or running properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the back panel of the oven and locate the motor mounting bracket. 3. Remove the screws that secure the motor to the bracket and carefully remove it from the oven. 4. Install the new motor in place of the old one, making sure that all connections are secure and that it is properly aligned with the mounting bracket. 5. Reattach the back panel of the oven and reconnect power to it. 6. Test your new motor by turning on your oven and checking for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.